Guys, today we are going to work on high frequency words again. So this is what we've been doing. Today what you're going to do is match up the same word. So sometimes with high frequency words, they're really hard to spell. So what I want you to practice in this game is just learning how to identify the words and try and read them and then find the one that looks exactly the same. So underneath the little tiles are words. So you're going to remove one of the tiles and then you're going to remove another one. And if they make a match, you're going to write the two words over here and they should be the exact same word. If you don't make a match, then you cover them back up just like in the game of concentration. And then you try another two. After you try those two, if that's not a match, same thing, guys. You're going to move it and put it back. Okay? Once you've found all 8 matches, you want to go through and double check to make sure you spelled the words correctly, as they should be the exact same. And if you have time, try and play again. All right, have fun.